This is how you make my California prune and balsamic onion stuffed bread with blue cheese. Slice your onions really fine. It's really important that they're super thin into a pan with a splash of oil. Cook them down nice and gently with a sprinkle of salt. Let them caramelize and go golden brown. Add your California prunes in whole with a good splash of balsamic vinegar. Cook it down until that vinegar evaporates. Add lots of fresh thyme for fragrance and then remove from the heat. Leave to cool a little and then blend until smooth. Now you've got an amazing dip, but we can also turn it into this fab bread. Take a decent sourdough bread, cut it into crisscrosses, open it up, then spoon in the caramelized onion and prune mixture. Take some blue cheese, whatever you love, stuff it in all those gaps. Add some fresh thyme and a drizzle of honey. Bake it in the oven till it's all melted and gooey, and then you are ready to eat.